Uh, Good morning, and thank you so much for this warm welcome. I know the conclave is the first time, but yes, I have been. I think I'm one of the founding members, kind of UPCDA. Correct, देवेश जी? मतलब साथ में ही बैठा और हम सबने काफी साथ में काम किया तो I think अच्छे बुरे दिन सब एक साथ देखे. So I think thank you so much for this, and I am so happy to see these questions. These are the questions we keep answering, we keep thinking about how to solve it, and happy to go through this journey with you today. And all feedback, absolutely सर आंखों पर, and let's try and do this. तो असली चीज जो हमारी है is the partnership all of us have, and I think I see Sigma sir here, I see Devesh ji, I see a lot of my partners. I see my old colleague Vikas, EMD, so I see a lot of, I met Tarun recently. So all of us, we will, yeah, we've also met. So I thank you all for the partnership. Whatever we've done up till now, whether it's a lot of programs that I keep hearing about, price protection, online price parity, some of them I have, some of them I don't have today. But I think a lot of us have invested a lot of time and energy to get that. आज जो भी हमारी learnings हैं आपके साथ बात कर करके ही आ रही हैं, and we thank you for the partnership and a huge round of applause to all of you, please. Thank you so much. I see Arun Dev sir there. So yes, we used to meet in Cuttack, and thank you so much for that partnership there. And for us, that partnership in Dell is led us to the most trusted brand for last 4 years and the most desired brand. And why I'm so proud of this trusted brand is it is not in one product category. आज एक कस्टमर जो होता है उसके पास अगर 50,000 रुपीज होते हैं, वो 50,000 रुपीज एक रेफ्रिजरेटर में डाल सकता है, एक लैपटॉप पे डाल सकता है, एक टीवी पे डाल सकता है, बिकॉज उसकी इनकम उतनी है. आज काफी सारे पार्टनर्स हमारे कंज्यूमर ड्यूरेबल्स में भी आ रहे हैं, जैसे कल मैं इनिशिएटिव वालों से भी मिला था. सो हमारे लिए ये मोस्ट ट्रस्टेड ब्रांड अक्रॉस ऑल प्रोडक्ट कैटेगरीज है, एंड आई थिंक इट्स अ ह्यूज टेस्टिमनी टू द वर्क दैट यू गाइस डू. आप लोग जो जाते हो, समझाते हो, टीम के साथ बैठते हो, समझते हो, हमें आइडियाज देते हो. सबसे बड़ी बात होती है ये जो आइडिएशन होता है उससे हमारे भी थॉट्स बनते रहते हैं कि क्या कर सकते हैं. Yesterday I was sitting with Mr. Amit of Info Shopping. The ideas that he is coming across and that what we are trying to position कहीं ना कहीं उसमें अच्छा ही निकलेगा, and we thank each one of you for this partnership. Now when we look at partnership, what are we thinking about this business? Correct? The way we are thinking is the way we are looking at this partnership is हमारे 4 key tenets हैं. सबसे पहला create demand. So as you saw the ad copy we saw, and if you all are watching IPL, हमारे टीवी कमर्शियल सब काफी ज्यादा आ रहे हैं. करेक्ट? इन केस यू सीन दैट आईपीएल में. नाउ फॉर अस डिमांड क्रिएशन इज समथिंग व्हिच इज लाइक, हमारा पहला डिस्कशन कैसा होता है, मार्केट कैसा है. करेक्ट? टिपिकली वी आस्क ईच अदर, एंड देन द फर्स्ट थिंग इज फुटफॉल आ रहा है कि नहीं आ रहा, एंड वी ऑल डिस्कस अबाउट दैट. उसको कैसे बढ़ाना है. दिस इज वन वे वी कीप थिंकिंग, वी हैव टू डू दैट. द सेकंड इज trying to create a product portfolio which will help people position the product and earn money on it. Right? That's the basic thought. If I make only a black box, I will never be able to earn. But if my 3000 series has a 120 hertz frame per second, which some other brand has a high end, then that 120 hertz can help me get, let's say, 1,000 rupees. Now that's the basic idea that we are working on the portfolio. उसकी वजह से कई बार हमारा प्राइस ऊपर जा सकता है, but that's how we are trying to work so that we can create a strong winning positioning for us. Third, operational excellence. And this is a learning over the years, and I think I've come in Dell in the last 3 years, but joined the channel team on February. One of the biggest things of operational excellence is the payouts. Now, typically back-end rebates बहुत सारे होते हैं, typically बहुत time लगता है back-end rebates में, and all this has been ironed out at Dell. Within 15 days, the payout comes in. The margin is just around, the back-end is just around 1% of the overall margin. So I think there is a whole storyline that is that there is an aspiration. एक ज़माने में वो होता ना किसी भी कि 7 days में पेमेंट हो जाए of the sell out, month का भी खत्म क्यों होने दे. So those are the kind of things we are also working as a team to, जिस दिन sell out उसके 7 दिन में पेमेंट. If something can some of those ideas we can really work in, because like you rightly all of you said, working capital is the key for business, and I would love to, मुझे वो बहुत अच्छा लगा था आप देवेश जी आपने बोला था कि अगर इतने पढ़े लिखे होते तो बिजनेस क्यों करते। मैं कई बार ये रिग्रेट कर रहा होता मैं इतना पढ़ लिख क्यों गया तो बिकॉज अर्निंग तो कहीं और ही है इस समय, क्योंकि कई लोग शिकागो में होते हैं, कभी लखनऊ में होते हैं, कभी कहाँ होते हैं, तो बड़े बिजी रहते हैं लोग, तो मेरे को लगा वो बेटर था मैं यहाँ नहीं होता। बट हैविंग सेड दैट आई एग्री कि समटाइम्स द प्रोग्राम्स आर very difficult to understand and so on and so forth. Not necessarily, but I think हर कंपनी अपनी लाइबिलिटी बचा रही होती है, बिकॉज जैसे अगर आप होम लोन लो, जैसे मेरे कार का कुछ हुआ अभी और इंश्योरेंस क्लेम करने में मेरा बैंड बच गया है, मतलब लिटरली बहुत टायर्ड हो गया मैं इंश्योरेंस क्लेम करने में, जस्ट टू एंड एवरीथिंग इज करेक्ट बट द पेपर वर्क इज क्रेजी, सो आई अंडरस्टैंड एंड इट क्रीप्ड अप. Last but not the least is the experience that we create at your stores. Now there is ISP there, like you rightly said. There's the whole furnishing there. There's the tiling there. There's the dust there. There is absolutely lighting, AC. काफी सारी चीजें होती हैं experience में. And we keep trying to better it. And like the way we've looked at this, how do you create these experiences? Yesterday there was a lot of discussion I liked about the online world, which I think Umesh mentioned and then Devesh ji added to it, saying that online आ गया है, अभी नहीं तो कभी नहीं, अभी नहीं तो आज नहीं तो I think all that is absolutely important, and that's what we also as a brand are looking at, making sure that जी डेल की एक अच्छी स्ट्रेंथ जो मुझे समझ में आई है इस कोई भी चीज करते हैं ना पूरी 100% हो जाती है, विच इज अगर लीड मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम में लीड्स आपको जा रही हैं तो वी विल मेक श्योर दैट द लीड्स आर गोइंग, उसका कन्वर्जन तक ट्रैक होता है, करेक्ट. कई बार मुझे लगता है यूपी में जैसे कन्वर्जन हमारा सिर्फ 4% है. आई ऑल्सो एंड आई कीप टॉकिंग टू रजत हाउ डू आई इंप्रूव इट, बिकॉज मुझे टाइम पास फोन क्यों आएगा, करेक्ट. एक कंप्यूटर वाले को टाइम पास फोन नहीं आना चाहिए, बट आ रहा है, दैट्स व्हाई आवर कन्वर्जन इज ओनली 4%. सो समवेयर वी हैव टू make it better, because ideally I would love to see a 30% conversion on leads, and that's what we are trying to really do. Now these are the enablers that we are giving, whether it's leads, PC exchange, we are working on each of them. आज finance बहुत बड़ा लीवर बन गया है. पहले finance एक जमाने में थोड़ा कम था और हमने सबने उस समय अगर हमने रियलाइज कर लिया होता कि finance इतना इंपॉर्टेंट है तो बजाज फाइनेंस का शेयर ले लेते, वो 100 रुपए का था, आज की तारीख में शायद 5-6 हजार का है, करेक्ट. तो अगर हमें समझ में आता कि वो शेयर इतना बढ़ता, so इसलिए हमें this is the enablers that we are working on to make sure that that all of us today together, you as partners, we as a brand, keep growing and be in tune with the new user. If you look at our campaign also, if you look at the Dell campaign, very youthful, we are making sure our connect with the youth is absolutely paramount. Now the way we are looking at, we are not staying on it, just एक बार बना दिया छोड़ा नहीं कुछ. What we are also trying to do is we are making sure that our experience keeps getting better. We keep innovating on our Dell Experience stores. We are making sure that each store is absolutely awesome. मतलब आप लोगों के साथ काम करना चाहते हैं, उसको और बेटर करना चाहते हैं, आप लोगों से भी खर्चा कराते हैं, खुद भी करते हैं, बट उसका स्टोर को जितना बेटर बना सकें, करेक्ट. और दैट्स द बेसिक थॉट. उसके बाद अब एक नया इनोवेशन हम लोग कर रहे हैं, which is the gaming store, right? Now each gaming store is an awesome experience. Now we believe that gaming could be a very big thing, and we have the product line to make sure that gaming could be very big. We have the first gaming store launch in 12th. Then I think we are opening one in Calcutta with Dhanuka ji who's here right now, and that's how we are trying to grow. Okay, we believe that this could help us and enable us to do much better. And that's why we are working on each of the gaming stores that we have, and we welcome more people to think about it. One of the biggest things of stores is what we are realizing is हमने ना बहुत अच्छे तो बनाने लगे हैं stores, correct, and we make very good stores. I think activation is something all of us as are lacking. मतलब store पे हम लोग कैसे लाएं उस पे हमें थोड़ा और I think काम करना चाहिए, and that's what we are wanting to work on to make sure that there is more activation. मतलब when the customer is walking, he should feel that there is a lot of activity going on in a Dell exclusive store, and that's what we are trying to really look at and do. As we move ahead, one of the biggest things for us is ये निकल नहीं रहा, ये शायद रुक गया. Okay. Okay. Now the big thing for us is all of this is finally starting with product. Now, for us, the main product, the way we are looking at each product, and I want to cover 5 minutes I'll take for product. Please don't, I will not go really like a product manager. Although some of the products make me so excited and all the demonstrations are there, and you should definitely look at the Dell products also, as you say. One biggest, ये आगे जा रहा है. The first thing is the Inspiron portfolio for us. And like I said, 3000 series or the 12th gen has a 120 Hz FPS. Just think about this. Brands के high end में होता है. Now the advantage you have as a partner for us is position that and try and earn money. कटता है, सब कटेगा मार्केट में, वो that's the, ये हमारे मार्केट की ब्यूटी है. But if we can somehow earn this, it'll be great. Okay. Now look at Inspiron 16. In the same weight, we give a similar kind of weight, we'll give a 11% more viewing angle. Now, as your team, if you can position 16-inch, then that's another place where, as partners, we can earn money. So that's how we are looking at each and every portfolio, and it's a very extensive portfolio. Sometimes the question can come to us is, आप लोग इतने महंगे हो गए, like Amit yesterday was asking me, so मेरे T3 का क्या होगा, correct? And मेरे upcountry town का क्या होगा? And I agree with you, Amit. So there is okay, little difficult, but if we can somehow position the products with, let's say, 120 Hz, and we can try and do it. And मेरे से जो previous brand था, उनसे question था कि तुम T3 पे ही चले गए, तुम T1 पे नहीं हो. So I think somewhere every brand will have their own the way of working, and that's what we are trying to make sure that we can give a little bit additional feature to the customer. If I really look at the 16-inch, we believe this form factor is something which has happened. Look at this. This could be the new revolution for us. There was a time when all of us said, बिना फ्लॉपी ड्राइव के, मैं उस जमाने का हूं जब हमने कहा था सबने, बिना फ्लॉपी ड्राइव के पीसी नहीं बिकेगा, राइट? फिर हमने कहा बिना सीडी ड्राइव के नहीं बिकेगा. फिर हमने एक जमाने में ये भी कहा सीरियल पोर्ट के बिना नहीं बिकेगा. फिर हमने कहा पैरेलल पोर्ट के बिना नहीं बिकेगा. करेक्ट? वी ऑल गॉन थ्रू दैट जर्नी. जब पहली बार, आई एम नॉट जोकिंग, जब पहली बार फ्लॉपी नहीं हुआ ना, तो ऐसा लगा था यार फ्लॉपी हट जाएगा तो मैं किसी को डेटा कैसे दूंगा, राइट? एंड दोज आर काइंड ऑफ, एंड टुडे, वैसे मुझे तो ये भी लगा था फेसबुक नहीं चलेगा. तो मतलब I actually thought कि कौन अपनी personal life share करेगा, but it's a big success. So sometimes I take these things with a, when all these people come and explain to us that 16-inch could be the new thing, I just take it with a lot of, while my typical Indian sense is, नहीं यार वो लखीमपुर में कौन खरीदेगा 16-inch, that's my typical Indian sense. But then I take respect also कि भाई चली गई चीजें, तो कुछ हो रहा होगा, which maybe I don't know, and hence I should be able to position it much better. So that's how I look at it, a lot of these things. The XPS is a classic portfolio, and I'm sure each one of you see it, respect it. We get a lot of brand image because of XPS. The store looks much better because of XPS, and so sometimes people feel that just because my i3 is not the lowest priced, I'm out of the market. No, that's not it. If you look at my Inspiron portfolio, is extensive. My XPS portfolio is extensive. It's the battle that I'm choosing to partner. Now, a lot of you have decisions to take कि मैं इसके साथ partner करता हूँ, मैं उसके साथ, या फिर मैं ये product category ही खेलता हूँ. And those are right decisions, and that's how our decision is to that okay, these are the portfolios that we will keep investing on. Gaming, Alienware is the mother of all brands in gaming. It's like the, if you really ask me, there is a, मेरे सरनेम का एक Alienware PC है अरोरा करके. उससे मैंने उसकी कॉस्ट ऐसी प्राइस पूछ लिया 4.5 लाख का है, करेक्ट? तो घर बेच के लेना पड़ा, काइंड ऑफ पीसी है मेरा. एंड दैट्स द काइंड ऑफ brand image that Alienware has, that people come and buy it. And now, how do you position, how do you demo? There's a lot of thought behind it, but it looks wow. उस दिन मैं चंडीगढ़ गया था, एंड एक बंदे ने ऐसे एक कूलिंग वाला गेमिंग लैपटॉप लटकाया हुआ था. वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग, टेक वॉकर. So very interesting. So suddenly I'm finding that people are innovating on experience, and it's something we will really enjoy, and we will try and keep doing better and better on it. Now, how do we do it? There will be a lot of T's and C's. Demo होगा, price protection होगा, and I'm not shying away from any one of them. I'm not shying away from target nahi hona chahiye, and now these are things that ideally we would want. Why wouldn't we want? We would want to give very simplistic tie-ups and just do it कि आप हमारा business जितना अच्छा कर सकते हो करो, and that's what we are all here for, and we keep thinking to try and do it. Some of them you've seen coming across from February, you will see more. Let's see how it goes. And the Alienware is something which we believe is a very strong brand. Keep thinking about it. It's not a brand that everybody will buy, but it's like the G-Wagon of Mercedes, something like which is there. So that's something you can really look at. It's a very high performance machine and something which you can think. So the lineup is big, and that's the G series, more value. Just sometimes people feel that Dell, yeah, वो 54, 55, 60 में gaming नहीं है, which is correct, नहीं है. We are a higher end brand, and we are wanting to position in that and play with that. Now, it could lead to certain strategy changes for partners, but that's how Dell is envisaging the business right now in India and wanting to run this as the strategy. Happy to work with you, partner with you. We have a new product launch happening even on 11th of April, and 12th of April we have the gaming store launch. So just make out time if you can be a part of it. And then the desktop advantage for Dell, at least I feel, is advantage, disadvantage. You can look at it both ways. I look at it as an advantage. It has Inspiron, Vostro, Alienware, the Inspiron Plus, lots of sub brands. Now you can take it as an advantage that I will position my sub brand and win. या फिर disadvantage, बहुत confusion है यार आपका Inspiron Vostro पे चढ़ जाता है, Vostro इस पे चढ़ जाता है, so there is a confusion है. Now how we play it, really we can decide that okay, you should have only this or you should have that, but there is no right or wrong answer. I personally feel more brands helps, because you can convince the customer that Vostro has military standards, Inspiron is more shiny, bright. So depends on how you are positioning to the customer at that time. Our motto right now, and with that I'll kind of come to the fag end of my presentation. Our motto right now is, and मुझे लगा कि नवीन जी कोई हिंदी में बढ़िया वो बताएंगे saying, तो जैसे कल बना रहे थे, मैंने कहा यार कैसे तारीफ करूं, मैंने कहा यार ऐसा तो मैं नहीं बना पा रहा हूँ. तो मैं एटलीस्ट अपने एड कैंपेन का ये है कि at least I can promise you from Dell's side, we are ready to experiment, we are ready to try new things, we are ready to fail, like every one of us, but we are ready to get back, go again, work with you, think what to do. We believe this is not a practical theory class here. We are all taking inputs. Lots of time we've taken inputs, done it, really done it, and come back to all of you. And for us, all the years of experience, this room would not be less than at least 2,000, 3,000 years of experience. And that kind of experience in IT really helps. And that's the learning that we all have. And which is what, with us, is the new campaign also. If you look at doing is the new learning for us, and that's what we are bringing about. And I don't know if you can play it, brother, but I'll leave. I want to play it. If you can, it'd be nice to play for the team here. Full pin नहीं मिलता लोग.
बोला था ना संवाद की. ऊपर से पकड़ो. Cannot बंद हो. बोला था ना संवाद की.
Chirma. See?
इसमें भी बहुत सेंचुरीज बाकी है चैम.
Thanks, mom. Bye. इसमें अब बहुत सेंचुरीज बाकी है चैम.
Doing is the new learning with Dell.
And thank you so much with this. We are, if you can just, so back to school. I request each one of you to make it Dell's back to school. Please work on it. Just whatever ideas you have, happy to work on it with you. Lots of youth connectivity, making sure that children get excited and they ask their parents कि Delhi लेके आना और प्रीमियर की दुकान से ही लेके आना. and we can just look at that, and with that, let's together give best-in-class experience to our customers and keep winning. Happy to have your questions, and thank you so much. Thank you.